and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my birthday week series. And in today's video I am back at it again with yet another haul, and it's my birthday haul. Every year I wait for my birthday to splurge a little and buy some stuff for myself, but this year I tried to contain myself because I'm trying to cut down on my unnecessary expenses. I just bought a few things and I thought might as well share it with you guys. If you're interested in knowing what I have in my birthday haul, then let's actually dive into this video. Also guys, I try to upload on my YouTube channel twice a week, one long video and at least a short video, so please do subscribe to my channel, would mean a lot to me. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, the handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, we'll actually get into the video. Also guys, the products that I'm going to be showing, I'm going to be leaving all their links in the description box, and if you're interested in buying any of the products, please do buy from the links because they are affiliate links, meaning that I will earn a little bit of commission from your purchase. So as usual, I have makeup and skincare, but this time I also have some hair care ka saman. So first off, we'll obviously start with makeup. Now I do not have too much makeup. I have like 4 products and 2 makeup tools. Starting off with the first product, which is actually a palette, and that is from Miss Claire. It's their face palette. You know, the best thing that I like about this is that this is a one and done palette. You get a bronzer, you get a face powder, and you get a blush. Although I have just one little complaint that instead of a face powder, they could have maybe added a little highlighter. So you know, it would have been like a full-on cheek palette. Now coming to the formulation of this palette, it's actually pretty softly made, and you can see it's quite pigmented as well. The contour feels like a perfect contour. It's not too warm, just has the perfect amount of a cool undertone, so it gives you like great shadows to your face. It's not patchy. So is the blush. I honestly love the color of the blush. It's like a dusty pink color, right up my alley. I just love it. So it's a great palette. I got it off of Nykaa for ₹195, but it's originally listed at ₹500. I would definitely say that if there's a sale, then grab it. The second product which I have is actually another blush. So the blush that I'm talking about is actually the Cuffs and Lashes Cuppy Cake blush in the shade Smile Please. But this is what the blush looks like. You know, the best thing I like about these blushes is that it is so buildable. You be a beginner or a professional, you can just build it up to the perfect intensity you want. Right now I have this blush on my cheeks and you can see it's built up so beautifully. It's not patchy at all. It goes very well on top of cream as well as powder products. It's not the most pigmented, but the best thing is that it builds up slowly to the perfect amount of intensity you want. I got this blush for ₹250, and I feel like for the quality and the price you're paying, it's definitely a steal. They have a couple more colors, so you can definitely check it out. The next makeup item which I got is actually an eyebrow pencil. This is the Insights a smudge free eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, and this retails for only ₹115. And the best part is that it comes with a spoolie as well as the eyebrow product. Now coming to the actual eyebrow product, I'm honestly quite impressed. Like, the packaging does not feel the most luxurious, but the product is actually pretty good. Like, it's quite creamy and the shade is just perfect for my eyebrows. And the best part is that it comes with a spoolie, so you can just keep applying and brushing it out as you go. But again, it's super affordable, and the quality you're getting it, I think it's great. And honestly, Insight is just killing it with their products. Like, all of their products are top notch for such an affordable price. And the last product that I have is actually a lipstick, and how can it be a haul without a lipstick? I'm talking about the Elle 18's liquid lipstick. The shade which I have over here is called Nutty Latte, and honestly this is one of the most different brown shades. It's a very dark toned brown, which is something very perfect for, you know, dark skinned girls. And honestly, I love this shade. It looks so good on me. Now many people say that this is the Lakme liquid lipsticks repackaged into the Elle 18 ones, but I do want to say something about that. That is that the Elle 18 lipsticks have like a fragrance to it, okay, like a cupcakey or bubblegumish sort of a fragrance. The Lakme one does not have it. But if you had to break down between the two, from Lakme and Elle 18, I feel the formulation and the texture is exactly the same. The only difference is the price, and definitely go for the Elle 18 one because it's gonna cost you like 180-150 rupees less, and definitely it's worth your money. Now that was it for the makeup. I have a few miscellaneous makeup items, and the first one is actually a beauty blender. Now this is a local beauty blender. I got it from my local stores, and this is what it looks like. And oh my god guys, this is the most squishiest beauty blender that I have ever had. This is not your regular shape. I think this is called a pear shaped or something, and it was super affordable. I think it was for ₹40 or ₹50 if I'm not wrong, and for that the quality is really good. The next thing which I have are a pair of lashes. Now if you know me, for lashes and stuff I just trust the local store. Now coming to the packaging, I'll say it does feel a little cheap and plasticky and flimsy, but again, it's like ₹50. What else can I complain? But coming to the actual lashes, the quality of the lashes does feel like pretty nice. Even the band seems a little sturdy, and for ₹50 you get like an additional side of glue along with it. So how great is that? But I guess these work, and if I ever use them, I'll let you guys know. Now that was it for makeup and makeup adjacent categories. Now let's move on to skincare. The first skincare product which I have is surprise, the Biotiques Cucumber Toner. Now this is my holy grail toner, okay? I do have some of it still left, but it's always good to get a backup one. I love the texture of this toner. It just makes your skin tight just how I love it. It is a very, very essential part of my skincare routine. You know, after I double cleanse, I always make sure to follow up with this toner, and it takes out all the excess gunk which I have. It is inexpensive and value for money, so what more could you ask for? Now the next few skincare items are all from Lakme. The first skincare product which I have is their Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Now I spend most of my winters wearing this moisturizer only. I'm not a big skincare person. I just need your basic cleanser, toner and moisturizer, and this moisturizer, guys, is the good thing. I have used up a lot of it. Now it has a very, very nice whipped consistency, if you will. It reminds me a lot of their cleansing milk, the same peach cleansing milk. The fragrance and everything is the same, just that it's in a moisturizer form. If you have extremely Sahara Desert dry skin, do not go for it because it will not help you in much that way. But if you're an oily skin gal, this is definitely your jam. Next up, again from the house of Lakme, we have their sunscreen. Now this sunscreen has 50 ml of product in it and retails for ₹300, but however it does not say the amount of SPF it does have in it. And honestly, I feel it's like a common problem with all of Lakme's skincare. They do not declare their potency. This sunscreen honestly is a decent sunscreen. It gives a little bit of a white cast for some time, but then it just goes away. Now the last skincare products are again from Lakme, and it is their vitamin C range. Now I wanted to try their entire vitamin C range, but this combo was available for ₹500 or 600 on Nykaa if I'm not wrong, so I definitely grabbed these. Now this is the vitamin C serum, and as I was saying, it does not say the potency of the serum, which is frustrating honestly. Now I really like the serum. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks. It has not had like a massive change on my face, but it's like a decent nice serum. It's very, very water like, so like when you apply it on your face, you'll not even feel it. But it comes in an amber colored packaging, which is very great because vitamin C actually oxidizes in UV rays or sunlight, so it's actually a very, very good thing. Now the serum originally retails for ₹600, so will I say spend ₹600 on this? Maybe not. And this is what the vitamin C night cream looks like. It's nothing like, you know, out of the box great. It's a nice good moisturizer, good for the night time. Although I would say, since it's an active ingredient, make sure you follow up with a sunscreen in the morning because that's very necessary. This is a decent moisturizer. It's actually quite thick and nice, but again, if you have extremely dry skin, it's not gonna prove much to you. But if you have combination to oily skin, this is gonna be like a nice moisturizer for you. Now that was it for the skincare, and lastly I have some hair accessories and tools. Now the first thing which I have in that category is actually a roller brush. Now for the longest time I wanted a roller brush, and I'm so glad I got one. Now this again I got from the local stores, and this retails for ₹40 only. Now honestly speaking, I have just fallen in love with this brush. It's such a great brush. Now you know it's gonna get rid of your tangles without tugging your hair much. I've used this already like 5-10 times at this point, and you know, cleaning it out is also very easy. But in general, if you're someone who gets like a lot of tangles, getting like a white toothed comb or a roller brush can be really, really helpful. Next up I have 2 scrunchies, and guys, when can anyone have enough scrunchies? Now the scrunchie quality is obviously not the best. It feels very, very elasticy and not very stretchable, but it's good for wearing and tying your hair as well. Just serves the purpose. And again, I would say like for scrunchies and you know, hair ties like this, just go to the local store instead of going to Instagram stores and Amazon. And honestly, the last hair accessory which I have is actually a hairpin. Now I have been recently super obsessed with hairpins. I do not know why, especially pearl and those metal aesthetic ones. I love using these clips on the side of my hair. It looks so super cute. You know, these clips in general just add like a little bling and addition to your whole outfit in general, so I really like these as well. So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, I really hope you guys are enjoying my birthday month series as much as I am enjoying making this video for you guys. Till then guys, stay home, stay safe, and I love all of you guys a lot. Bye.